Hey, this is Matt from Rane, and in this video, we're going to take a look at how we use the effects section of the Rane ONE in 60 seconds. So from our mixer section, we can access up to 6 effects within Serato, which I can choose using effects buttons 1 through to 6. I can trigger them using our paddles. The paddles can of course be either momentary or latching. If I already have my effects set up in Serato, I can access them easily using the effects buttons. I can also change in Serato the type of effect which is assigned to each effect button. So now we have effects 1 set up to be the brake echo. So with our effects and the Rane ONE, we have a fast and intuitive workflow, and this works for every type of DJ.